So YouTube, I want to show you something about the Beats pill that is pretty cool. It's the NFC. It's the near field communication with your phone instead of going through the whole menu and connecting the Beats, or even going through the menu again to disconnect it. It's easier now. This is the NFC version. As you can see, we have the pill right here. Okay, now to connect it, place your phone on top, and as you can see, it is connecting, and you will hear a sound when it connects. That was the sound. The volume comes up right there. Now you're done listening to your music and you wanna disconnect. So you take your phone, right, and you wanna disconnect. So you come, you put it right here, and it disconnect, as you can see. So it's easy like that. You know, you got your phone, you put it on, it connects. Take your phone, put it back on, and it disconnect. Oh, it's pretty cool how they made it. Awesome. Well, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.